Morning whistles down the line, silver rails begin to shine. Station waking to the day, steam and laughter on the way. Suitcase dreams and paper flowers, rolling through the April hours. Someone strums a sweet refrain, waiting on the blossom train. Ride that train, ride a train, roll along. Cherry blossom sing the song. Ride that train, down the train, down the track, down the track. Golden sunshine coming back. Ride that train, ride the train. Hear it call, hear it call. Pedals drifting over all. Ride that train, ride the band, ride the band, ride the band. Happy days are here again. Steam curls dancing through the air, pedals falling everywhere. Couples stepping side by side, music rolling with the ride. Fiddle ringing bright and clear, smiles from ear to ear. Every mile the rhythm grows, every heart begins to glow. Ride that train, roll along. Cherry blossom sing the song. Ride that train, down the track, down the track. Golden sunshine coming back. Ride that train, hear it call, pedals drifting over all. Ride that train, round the bend, round the bend. Happy days are here again. Steel wheels singing through the night, lanterns glowing soft and bright, voices rising down the line. All aboard, the day will shine. Ride that train, roll along. Whole wide world can sing the song. Ride that train, hear the sound. Joyful rhythm roll.